Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to flush the engine of this 9 years old Honda motorcycle with the help of this paint remover spray can from Sogo Group. While the engine runs, oil gets hot and some carbon from the oil stucks to internal parts of engine, affecting engine performance and sound. This carbon needs to be cleaned after some time to enhance engine's performance. We have found that paint remover spray is the best thing to do this job. A quick inspection of the inside engine with the help of mobile camera show a lot of carbon is accumulated inside this engine. Before we start the process, we need to check paint remover for any harmful effects on engine parts. Inside this engine we have clutch plates, steel parts, rubber parts and aluminium parts. Let's spray some paint remover on it to check for any harmful effects on the engine parts. After 10 hours we see no harm to any of these parts. So we are clear to start the process. We are draining old engine oil and putting new oil just to show how much carbon is cleaned out. But you don't need to, you can repeat this process with old oil. This is 0.7 liter engine, so we are spraying quarter of the can along with engine oil. And quarter in engine's head while the engine is running. The engine RPM should be from 2000 to 5000 and we will run it for about 10 minutes. While the engine is running, oil is pumped to every corner of the engine along with paint remover, so each corner of the engine gets cleaned. If your engine is new and you are using quality engine oil, you don't need to flush your engine. Then we will drain the oil. You can see how much carbon is cleaned up in just 10 minutes and new oil caught it all out. You can now wash engine with gasoline to remove any residue left. Now put new oil and start the engine. Your engine will now sound nice and with increased performance. For more auto-related videos, stay tuned with us and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy and happy and safe. Goodbye.